Today is the third day of the Camino connector journey, and we are leaving Amot's big red slug. Here's my foot for comparison, and the one I slipped on and squashed with my bum I think was even fatter. We've reached the GR8 again, and here's the sign, and look, there is a town called Sara.
Ok, ouais. C'est un peu loin. Ok, ouais. Quoi, d'ici ASCAIN? Une heure.
On top of this great hill for this amazing view. She'll be coming around the mountains when she comes.
It's a year old. Wow. Yeah, so in a year.
So you can check out the very nice Basque pigs over here, and then you can pretend to eat them. Haha. Oh my goodness, I see the ocean. Heading down to the town of ASCAIN. ASCAIN. Tourist office over there for a stamp. Cafe Ole. Off-roading Camino adventure. Beer up ahead. Irun. Here is the church. Going inside. Lunch. Choose your own adventure time again. Unmarked trails. Doo-doo-doo. Hendaye and Irun are down there. A little bit hard to see. Hotel de la Gare. So here is the very small room that Camilla and I are sharing. Everything is booked out because it's Saturday night, so we get what we get. So check this out. Walked from Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. Not exactly as highlighted and shown because we did choose your own adventure, random stuff, to Hendaye. This is where we're sleeping tonight, and then tomorrow, Irun, start of the last French beer. My final meal in France. Maigret de canard.